Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these product hang tags out of the Cricut foil acetate. I keep my Cricut Joy supplies on this carousel here, and the Cricut Joy mats don't come with the hole already in them to hang them, so I made my own. Hopefully you can see that. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. Okay, we're in Cricut Design Space, and I have my Cricut Joy machine selected. You can just do this with basic shapes. You'll use a square and a triangle or a circle even. I found my images by searching for square. I'm just scrolling to the one that I use. It's a square with rounded corners. So you could use that one. This is the one that I used. And then I also used a triangle. This is the one that I used. I'm going to hide the red triangle. We're going to click on the square, unlock the proportions, and both the width and height are set to 1.25. We're going to lock that back up, and then we're going to click on the triangle, unlock those proportions. The width is going to be 0.356, and the height is going to be 0.203. Lock that back up. And then we're going to place the triangle in the center towards the top. That's not centered, but we're going to click all and align it and click center horizontally. So that looks good to me. We're going to select all and slice it, and then we can remove the triangles. And there is our hang tag. Let's click on Make It. And we're going to use On Mat. And then we're going to make 4 copies. So we're going to click the up arrow to 4 and apply. And then we're going to press continue. And we're using foil acetate. And now we're going to go to the machine. I'm going to put my foil acetate on my standard grit mat. Then we're going to load it into the machine. I'm going to unload the mat by clicking on my screen. And I'm going to pull off the tags. And then we can weed out the little triangles. And then I'm going to use my ATG gun to put adhesive on it, and I'm just going to put 2 strips of tape on it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put these on the mat. I like to use the side of the mat that has the inches, So you can't put a tag on this side because there is a sensor in the machine right in the middle. So put it on the opposite side. I'm just going to use this other mat as a guide to center it. Okay, that's good. And then I'll put the blue ones on, and again, you want to put it on the side that you're not using. So this is the arrow, this side goes into the machine. So we're going to put it on the bottom. One more thing I want to talk about, you can reuse these. Say you need to throw away your mat, you can just reuse it. You don't need to cut it over and over and over to use them. You just pop it off and pop it back on. That's what they look like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.